Today is day, I don't even know, 361 of web development, and it is also Friday, July 15th, 2022. And I'm just going to do the same thing I did yesterday because, yeah. So I'm just going to center a div and I'll put in my HTML tags, and inside I'll do my head tags and my body tags, and then in the body I'll do a div and I'll give it a class box, and I'll just close that in there, and then in the box I'll just have an H1 that says, I don't know, welcome. Alright, and then I'll just go to my CSS and go to the body, and I'll give the body a background of, I don't know, one of these colors. Which one should I do? Maybe this. And then put that in there. And then I'll make sure the body has a height of 100 VH, so it's 100 vertical height of the screen. And then I'll go to the box and give it a background of maybe something like this. And then I'll make sure it has a min width of, I don't know, 400 pixels. That's not pixels. PX. Okay. And then a min height of also 400 pixels. We'll see. So I want it to be a little less. So 200. 100? Why is it not changing? Well, that's great. 300 pixels. Alright, and then in order to center that box in the middle, I'll go to the body and display flex, and then I can use the flex properties such as justify content and justify that in the center. That does it horizontally, and then align items centers it vertically, so it moves to the right. Justify. Okay, and then I'll go to the box and give it a border radius, so it's round, of 20 pixels, and then I also want the text itself to be in the center, so what I'll do is I'll do display flex, and then I'll do justify content center, and then I'll do align items center. And then, that's not how you spell center. And then I'll make the height a little bit more, like 300 pixels or something like that. That's actually horrible. 250. And then maybe this to be 350. Yeah, sure. And then I want the color and everything to be white, maybe. And then what I'll do is, actually I'll remove this and target the H1. So I'll do box H1, color white, and then I'll go to Google Fonts and try to get a font. I don't even know what looks good. So I'll go with this one. Regular 400, select the style, and then I'll just go and link this into my head tag so that it knows what I'm referencing to when I use this font family in my CSS. Just paste it in there. And now the font changes. Okay. Now, I want to do like a hover effect, so when I hover over the box, I want it to move relative to its previous position from the top -2 pixels. So now when I hover over it, it moves -2 pixels. Okay, save that, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I'm done for today. Alright, bye.